Where do we stand and what are the major challenges that we're facing when it comes to use of UAVs?
Currently, you are seeing flights are damaging and falling down, and pilots are dying because of engine failures and all. If we introduce the IVHN system in the engines or the wings of an aircraft, it will be very less chances of failuring of an aircraft in a particular location.
Is there any sort of advanced tech that's just going to have an inclusion in our current systems and make lives easier?
Battery systems, they are adopting that integrated vehicle monitoring.
Yes.
So there are some vendors, they're giving the batteries to the customers for the UAVs and drones, and they already have an app in their own mobiles, and they can check how's customer using and what is the real-time monitoring of the batteries. So while drones are flying on the air, they can monitor it on the ground using that app. So this is where technology is going on.
Is it risky after a point, or do you see a lot of scope with inclusion of AI?